Inspect the repaired pothole area after heavy rains and then at least once every season to catch early signs of failure. A proper follow-up inspection schedule starts with a close check within 72 hours after the first heavy rainfall that affects the repair, because water is the fastest way to reveal drainage or compaction problems. After that initial check, perform seasonal inspections in spring, summer, fall, and winter to track freeze-thaw cycles and thermal expansion effects. When you inspect, look for fresh cracking, edge raveling where the patch meets the surrounding pavement, and any new settling that creates water pooling. Use a straight edge or a ruler to check for new depressions greater than 1/4 inch and mark them for repair if present. For minor surface breaks, apply cold tar or a ready-to-use asphalt patch product following the manufacturer instructions and compact it with a hand tamper or heavy object until flush. Keep records of dates, weather conditions, and actions taken so you can detect patterns that suggest subbase failure or drainage issues that need a deeper fix. Common mistakes start with trusting a single quick visual check and missing hidden edge deterioration. So take a full perimeter inspection and probe soft areas with a screwdriver. Another frequent issue is ignoring drainage. If water still flows into the repaired area, it will undermine the patch. So regrade nearby shoulders and clear drains to direct water away. A third problem is using insufficient compaction or the wrong patch material, which leads to rapid breakdown, so always match the patch type to the job and compact in layers until solid. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to pavement and other home projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips, post experiences, and ask questions so we can all maintain repairs more effectively.